What up guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, you are so welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how to effectively remove skin tag. Alright, so this treatment is very effective and you are going to be seeing a great result. So if you want to know what my ingredient is going to be, please do continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you are new, and also turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you have any personal, curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. And also buy your natural beauty ingredients on my website. The link is at my description comment section. It is pinned down there. And check out my vlog channel. There are tons of beautiful videos there. I'm sure you're going to be loving that channel too. So the first ingredient we're going to be needing Colgate, and Colgate will be preferably because it contains an ingredient that will help kill skin tag and remove wax, and it also helps for pimples, and it's also beneficial in smoothing out the skin. And we're going to be needing a clean bowl. Then for the toothpaste, we're going to be squeezing in a reasonable amount of toothpaste. And the next ingredient, bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Baking soda is powerful for removing blackheads and whiteheads. It helps to get rid of pimples, acne, and smooth out the skin. It helps to remove skin tag when used overnight, and it's also beneficial in balancing the pH level of the skin, therefore leaving your skin smooth, flawless, and rejuvenated. Next, we're gonna be adding the baking soda, and we're gonna be adding half teaspoon of baking soda. Would go a long way. And the next ingredient, castor oil. Castor oil contains antibacterial agents which work similarly to coconut oil for healthy skin. It makes a great skin moisturizer. It contains an anti-inflammatory blemish treatment and can delay the signs of aging like wrinkles, since it helps to increase collagen and elastin production. It also helps to retain moisture and lock in moisture onto the skin. It's going to be very beneficial in removing skin tag, wax, and mold. And a little of castor oil would help the treatment blend. Okay, next I'm going to be mixing the ingredients together, and we should have a very thick consistency like this, and this is perfect. Alright, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna take a skin tag treatment like this, and wherever you have skin tag, you can apply this onto that part. Just a little will go a long way. Alright, if you have a mole somewhere, you can apply it. I'm just illustrating with the help of my hands so you guys can see. Now you can leave this onto your skin for 24 hours, and you can choose to cover it up with plastic or plaster or whatsoever would be convenient for you to cover this up. And when you wake up the next morning, you are going to be seeing that the skin tag, wax, or mole will begin to die off, and perfect. So you can repeat this as often times as is going to be possible for you to remove skin tag. Alright guys, so I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.